Hey, I'm excited. Hi guys. Okay, so I have been wanting to dye my hair blonde for the past couple weeks now. And this thing, it's just been itching me and itching me and itching me. And it's time that I just scratch that itch. So I bought developer, I bought bleach, and then I bought a permanent color that I kind of want my hair to be. I don't know if you can tell, if you know me, my hair probably looks lighter than it usually is, and that's because it is. I recently did a box dye in my hair, and silly me, I should have chose a color lighter than what I really wanted so that I could achieve the actual color. Like, you know, you kind of land in the middle. It did lift it, and it's definitely in the family of like warm, bronzy, kind of honey gold thing going on. Like, I like it, but the itch wasn't scratched. It was like, you know, when you have an itch and it's like you kind of get the area, but you can't like fully reach it. Yeah, like I need to really scratch that itch. I've never done this before, but I trust myself. I just really believe in myself. I know I can do it. Yeah, my boyfriend's gonna help me a little bit for the back sections, but I think I can do it. I think it's gonna be just fine. And there's something about curly hair. Yes, it can be more prone to damage, but when you make a mistake, you can't really tell. So that may just be cope, but regardless. So I'm gonna start off with brushing out my hair, then I'm gonna section it off, and then I'm gonna mix up the bleach, and then we're just gonna put it in. I'm not doing foils. My hair is already a light brown. I don't think that I need to separate the pieces that much. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Future me may be screaming at me right now. Or she may be like, ah, you did that, queen. Okay, I'm almost done brushing out my hair. What do you guys think? I always, whenever I brush out my hair before I'm about to wash it, I actually love how it looks so much. It's just so luscious and like billowy and like soft like a pillow. It's honestly my favorite. I think it just wasn't socially acceptable to like have brushed out curls. I always felt like insecure. I know the way I'm brushing my hair may be triggering you, but like it's okay, it's fine. This is just how I do it. Um, anyways, I love it. I love it. It's just so beautiful. Like what? So diva. Hopefully my hair is still this amazing after bleaching. Okay, I'm gonna section it off and then I'm gonna wake up my boyfriend because he's taking a nap and then we're gonna get into it. Okay, I'm finishing up the last section. There was no rules to this. I didn't have any specific like parting system because I heard that when you just do more random undefined parts, it's better in case you mess up. You don't want like harsh lines. I don't know. It just made sense to me in my head. So, and then I think we're going to start or like go from the bottom and then work our way up. And then I think like after applying the bleach, I'll like quickly retwist it. But apparently like the process is so quick and like I don't really have time to dilly-dally. So we'll actually truly see what happens. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna mix the bleach. Okay, honestly guys, sorry I'm eating Chipotle, but I loafed so hard. We were just chilling on the couch. So now it's nighttime, but we're gonna start right now and I'm just gonna sit in the bathtub. I'll show you the setup. And the mirror will be right here. It's gonna be perfect. I'm in the tub. What's up? Hey guys. It's going. It's going. I don't know if any changes are happening yet. Edward is such a nice helper of me. Oh my god. Do you see it? Lord. Sorry, because I don't have the mirror. What should I do? I think we can do it in front of the mirror.
I can plan.
And then just as something. Can you guys see something's happening? Wow, guys, it's already lifted so much. We love it. Wow. Okay, guys, I know this looks so dangerous, right? Honestly, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this on because, to be honest, it's like already launched. It's just some parts haven't lightened as much as others. So we'll see. It looks pretty crazy, not gonna lie. I definitely got hot roots. But you know, I think this could be cope, this could be cope, this could be cope, but my hair is curly. I don't know, maybe when it dries, it will be kind of like highlights and kind of a vibe. Let's see. I don't know. I just styled my hair. Definitely have some hot roots, but we'll see. There's also no color in this. There's no toner, nothing. This is just the bleach. I did buy a color, but not doing it yet. The saxophones were so loud. They were blaring in our ear. Trust curly hair. It is obviously really golden and kind of maybe too yellow for my liking, but toner. Trust curly hair. Hi peoples. So this is my hair post dye. It is now Monday. We did this Saturday night. Here's the back. We did not do the roots at the back. We just kind of left it. And I'm liking it so far. It is not the exact color I want. It does have a bit more of like a yellowy feel. However, I kind of like it still. Even though it's not specifically what I wanted, I think the bleach job is pretty good. We did miss some spots. It is not perfect. My curls are pretty much intact. Yes, they are a bit drier than usual, but when my hair's dry, it got volume. It got volume, so I'm never mad at that. I did get some stuff from Sally's to like color it and tone it, I guess. I don't know, but this is the results for now, and I'm quite happy. What do you guys think? Okay, so I also decided to bleach my eyebrows, so that's what's happening right now. I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. I'm excited. I'm excited. Final results, people. I came outside because we gotta get that golden glow. I love it. Cheers to I cannot speak. Cheers to scratching the itch. Always scratch the itch. You gotta scratch the itch. Just do it.